Now I will take you through the material, friends. In this material, you all read that, all that we have discussed. Most importantly, I will give you an example, friends. You may be having result now. Your company may be doing extremely well today, but will you sustain on a long term basis? Today you may be doing extraordinarily well, but you would like to know whether this is because of my leadership. Is it because of my strategies? Is it because of in the 5 enablers and the results that I am getting, is there any scope for me to improve? Whether this result will help me in the long term? I will now take 2 examples before I read that leadership. I was working in one company, and a factual situation, friends. This company was, I was only just passed CA 1 year, and I was a consultant from one Basant Rajan company. Then I joined this, and this company entered into real estate business, and very aggressive people. And real estate means you start, you sell the project. When the demand is very good, you don't need to do anything. Your name is enough. That is money. And I worked very well with them. Though I am very young, that time 22 years. But I am a good strategist. Somehow they liked me. Then we really grew. I can't tell how or no, that is different matter. But we grew. I was always finding there is a problem in their financial discipline. In real estate means money comes in. Now I have one land, 30,000 square feet, I have sold, and completely 30% down has come. Installments will come. Here the question is, you have to deliver the goods to the customers, and something much better than what they anticipate. One is promises through which you attract them. 2, you satisfy them through your performance. You satisfy them through your performance. 2 things. First thing everybody does, make tall promises. They'll tell lies, everything. So this company was doing well, and these people were taking all the money, spending. I used to tell them, money that comes has 3 components. One is land component. You will reinvest in land. Construction component. You please reinvest in construction. And then profit component, split it. Spend it half, like strategies. They were not liking. And I was doing a lot of work, they depended on me. So I left them. I said I can't do, because the principles are not properly handled. So as a result, I left them, and that top director was really upset with me, and but then I left them, and they grew into a company, 600 crores in 1988. You can see, friends, they have issued shares, 10 rupee share. It has been oversubscribed, opened at 110. almost 1000% profit. That is the company. So they called me, asked me whether you can come back. See, you people don't know anything. Bookish fellows. I told him, no, I won't come. Because that philosophy is wrong. You may be leader. You may achieve great success. Massively you became overdone others. But still I thought it doesn't work. He offered me big salary. At that time, huge salary. I said, I want peace. I want to do this. Then within 5 years, friends, they have gone to jail. They have gone to jail. Completely overburdened, like what happened to Kingfisher Airlines. So therefore, why Tatas? Those people are very successful. Why these people, Anil Ambani, every fellow running away with thousands of crores, lakhs of crores. That is what we are going to study. Understand? Second thing, you take this fellow, Mr. Arnab Goswami. If you see the WhatsApp chats, that fellow became very big. If you see him, he was interviewing Gagoi, the Chief Justice who retired. When he was talking to that person, Honorable ex-Chief Justice, this person said, no, I am not going to become MP. I don't like it. Arnab Goswami telling him. And he was creating, what is his model? TRP ratings. But fellow, he was, I used to think one day that fellow will hit like anything. One lady unnecessarily abusing. Worst fellow. And he has always spoiled this nation. As if he is the only man protector of our nation. And attacked everybody through the medium. Supreme Court was listening to him. You just go and tap. Supreme Court judges are coming up in the night and sitting for him. Passing orders, whatever he wants, they were passing the orders. At least the nation believes like that. Freedom of speech. Anything he wanted, what more you want? The protector of a nation, the judiciary, tomorrow he is going to be arrested tonight. The judges are sitting to hear him full day. And Modi at his call, beck and call. But in spite of all this, it's a matter of time he will be in the dustbin. Understand? Everybody who promotes hatred, everybody who promotes violence, there is no space in the modern civilized society. Not only modern society, Mahatma Gandhi, Vedic principles, Sat Chit Anand, Dharma. So, how it has gone, you can analyze. Because the wrong leadership, it may be an aggressive leadership. The leadership that is based on cheating, lies, misuse of the position, institutions, it won't sustain. So, that is what we are going to check now. And forget about apparel business. You tell me any business, I will analyze and tell you. And I want you to learn those techniques. Quick. Leadership. Let us read. I am only theory. I will give you examples and make you call. A leader defines the organization culture. A leader, one of the enablers is leadership. The leader defines the organization's culture. They enable the organization to achieve its goals by taking the correct decisions at the correct time. To do this, they should have sufficient skill, work as per the company's code of conduct, and should be ethical, should be ethical in their dealings. Note these three important points. Okay, now right. Now here I am going to give you three important tests. In this case, leadership defines the organization's culture. Organization here means anything. Today, business cannot be seen separately. Business and politics are interlinked. Business and politics are interlinked, friends. Remember that point. And in this leadership style, I want to ask you, first step is I have taken Arnab Goswami. Latest you are all seeing. Many of you may like him. I don't know. But I used to think, what right he has got? Is this the way he conducts his media interviews? What he says, everybody must hear. He is the only nationalist in India, nobody else. And amazing. And nobody can be like that. Abusive. Hatred. This chap. And see his power. That leadership worked for him. He was arrested in Maharashtra. He was attacking the government, police, which is opposition leaders are there. He is underestimated in his great arrogance. Understand? So, he thought everything will go through. When arrest warrant is there, he has gone and he tapped the Supreme Court. Supreme Court cases can never be filed. But the judges got up in the night, I think so. Morning they sat, full day they sat, talking about freedom of speech. Please see, the same Supreme Court, crores of poor people were walking on the roads, but they never bothered about them. They said, let the government do. Is it something wrong? No. It is the greatness of this Arnab Goswami, the power of Arnab Goswami, who is able to command the nation. He is a de facto leader. Understand? He was interviewing Chief Justice, retired Chief Justice, like this, and he is telling him that I don't want MP or Jisha. That means as if MPs are bad fellows. Amazing. Really, is this the nation we wanted? But that fellow was like that. But friends, what do you call, where do you place him in this? He has taken correct decision in correct time. Yes, because the present dispensation is a hatred driven country. Therefore he played that card. Understand? He was strategically is able to take away that Hindutva, I am Indian, I am nationalist, all are threats like that. So, correct decision he has taken the correct time. Right. What is his specialized skills? Whether good or bad, I don't know, but he will not allow others to talk. He will ask questions, he will only answer, abuse. Is this the way? You call for debate only to listen to the other person and it is for the listeners to decide. No. Now, he has got a great skill. Fantastic, he speaks. Abusive, but that was enjoyed by majority of Indians. That skill he is able to do. But you see that as per company's code of conduct, and should be ethical in dealings. That's all. He was an unethical fellow. He was just gone. Of course, that has to be proved and all, but such a massive growth he saw, invincible. He can brand anybody as thieves. But the process he followed is wrong, no doubt. But he was also unethical, and that's it. Actually, what he has done is, he has not bothered about the stakeholders. Some people's interest he was, but that interest is interwoven with his interest of enriching himself. He was like a snake in the head of Lord Shiva. So that is the leadership. So what is that? The leadership might give you results, but that leadership should sustain. That is the point 1. Next point is, his strategy was there. He was having a strategical person. It's not just like that. He's a strategical person. He is not interested in anybody. He saw the situation and he tried to cater to the majority. That is what he did. Understand? So, strategy was wrong. And his goal was profit maximization. His goal was profit maximization, come what may, unethical means. That means narrow angle. He is not thinking long term. You understand? Long term, you should live like Ram. No doubts about it. You may talk your Ram, but then you may not be. So, this is what is the subject. I will take another leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. The next leader, Mr. Rahul Gandhi.